Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. I wanted to record a video for you for this week's assignment. So let's go into your Google Classroom. Okay, so this is ESL 2.3. So open up Classroom, click on Classwork, and your assignment is present perfect verbs versus past simple verbs. Okay, so what's the difference between these? So watch my video, complete this Google Doc, and use the Google Slide Notes for extra help, and that's over here. So first, let's talk about the difference. Okay, so we have present perfect verbs, and then we have past simple verbs. So it seems like a lot of you guys are still just using past simple. So let's look at the difference. So we use present perfect for experiences. I have eaten sushi. So an experience, one time in your life. When we expected something to happen soon. We haven't eaten lunch, but we will soon. Something starts in the past and continues until right now. We have been in quarantine for 5 weeks, and then sadly this is going to continue. And the same thing happens. Oops. Let's see. I want that to go away. So the same thing happens multiple times. So I have watched Netflix every day this week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I watch Netflix. So you guys see, present perfect uses have or has and the past participle verb. Haven't eaten, have been, have watched. But now we use the past simple for a finished or completed event. So something that's completely finished and it can't happen again. So example, number 1, we had 2 snow days this year. Had, past tense. 2, last week I finished all my online homework. Finished, last week, past tense, can't happen again. My family ordered takeout food for dinner yesterday. So ordered yesterday, finished. All right, so you guys, you can go back and look at the notes for extra help. So now open your Google Doc. Okay, so part 1, past participle warm-up. So let's try to remember what is the past participle with present perfect for these verbs. So guys, number 1, the verb be. Is it regular past participle or is it an irregular past participle? If you guys got this correct, the past participle is been. You guys write nothing for regular. Now the verb want, is it a regular past participle or is it an irregular past participle? if you guys are correct, let's go down one. Let's see. There we go. It's wanted. And it's regular because it has this ED. So please, for part 1, complete the chart. Complete this for all of the verbs. Okay, so now part 2. Is the sentence present perfect tense, PP, or past simple tense, PS? All right, number 1. Miss Aguiar has watched 4 episodes of Killing Eve this week. So, has watched. With has and a past participle together, we know it's present perfect. So let's write PP. Miss Aguiar watched Killing Eve last night. So it's a completed event. So we write PS for past simple. So now, complete 1 to 16 with PP or PS. You decide what verb tense it is. All right, so that's your assignment for this week. Remember to turn in or submit the assignment when you're done. Again, email me, send me a message on Remind, on Google Voice Text. Join my Zoom meetings, Mondays 12 to 2 p.m. or Wednesdays 3 to 5 p.m. if you guys need help with anything. All right? Bye, guys.